Okay everybody, this is Wing Rider doing another video, my second one. Get this stabilization thing going here. Anyway, behind me my brother Chris is working on his Honda Shadow, rebuilding the forks on it, so I'm going to introduce you to him. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Nice work there. This is his motorcycle shop. He's got quite a few bikes in here. He's one of them do-it-yourselfer kind of guys, that's for sure. Anyway, let's see what else we got here. My old Honda Goldwing that I sold to him when I bought my new one. He's got another Shadow over there. Anyway, pretty interesting work here. Where'd you get that jack at? Is what I'm curious about. That motorcycle jack.
Got it from J&P.
Gets the job done.
I'm gonna make one. But it was so cheap, I just bought one.
Yeah. Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna make this a short one. Still learning how to post on YouTube and stuff, so I'm gonna wrap this up, say goodbye.
Goodbye everybody.
Okay, there you go. Alright. That's my brother Chris. And there's my dog Lucky. Anyway, we'll do this again later.